One of the most powerful ways you can build your personal brand is by becoming a LinkedIn top voice. Hey, it's Holly from Restack, and I'm here to help you optimize your technology. In these videos on my channel, I talk about LinkedIn, CRMs, productivity tools, and film tutorials just like this one. So give me a subscribe if you're interested.
Collaborative articles are a great way to earn your top voice badge. LinkedIn has created special pages generated by AI that are being enhanced by experts just like you.
By consistently adding value, you may earn a community top voice badge, e.g. top engineering voice. This is given out as recognition for those who have added high insight and high value on the collaborative articles for that particular skill. So here's how you get your badge. Step 1. Select the skill you want to earn your badge in.
There is a PDF in the description of this video that contains information about becoming a top voice, as well as all of the different areas you can become a top voice in. So you need to select the most relevant skill for your niche. Let's go, for example, corporate communications. And you're going to start off, make sure this matches your niche and your expertise, and then follow.
Step 2, get collaborating.
Select a collaborative article that is relevant to your skill set, and then start adding your perspective, which can be done here on the right hand side. You can see each article is broken down into slightly different headings. For example, how do you identify gaps in sales operations, or what are sales operations gaps? How do you identify sales operations gaps? How do you address those gaps? And obviously what else you can consider. So you can add one perspective on the article, or you can add several different options throughout the article, whatever works best for you, depending on how much you want to say on that specific topic.
Step 3, be unique. LinkedIn wants to know your perspective.
When you add your perspective, try and refer back to your past experience and really make sure that your comments and your perspective is unique and really, really stands out. I've spaced mine out a little bit, so it's really visually appealing, and I've also added some really unique features in there.
Step 4, acknowledge others. Be sure to like and react to what other contributors are also saying.
So I'm just going to go through the articles, and the ones that I find insightful, I'm going to press insightful. You can also rate them as funny or love or celebrate, but I think the insightful one is really useful here because it really shows that you have found someone's perspective insightful, and that's what we want to receive in return as well.
Step 5, be consistent and keep it up. This isn't going to happen overnight, so make sure you continue to add your perspectives to the collaborative articles and continue to be interacting with what other people have put as well. I don't know how long on average this takes. It took me about 1 month to achieve my top voice badge. So try and do 2 to 3 posts per day on the collaborative articles and at least 2 to 3 reactions. Currently, there is no limit to the number of top voice skills you can earn. And if you do have multiple skills, these will be combined into one top voice badge. Your badge will last for 60 days, but to keep your badge past 60 days, you must remain relevant, original, and other LinkedIn members must continue to find your perspectives insightful. Good luck in getting your top voice badge. Let me know how you get on, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in optimizing more of your technology.